Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Windows command line course. Today we're going to continue on. This is part 4 and today we are going to be renaming directories and files. Now guys, this is pretty simple compared to what we have learned, even though what we have already learned in parts 1 through 3, really not that difficult. So let's just get started with this. So again, I've got my command prompt up here and just a Windows window over here, Explorer window, just to kind of compare and kind of show you what's going on that side. Since most of you understand this side the most, I wanted to kind of set up a comparison there. So again, we opened our command prompt in administrator mode, as you can see up here, which I recommend doing. And you can see that we are automatically taken to the C drive, Windows System 32 folder. So from here, we need to change, not only, we actually don't need to change directory today like we've learned in the past, but we need to change our drive because we're going to be working off of the E drive today. So I showed you guys this in a current video, I believe. And so we're just going to go to enter. And as you can see, we are now on our E drive. So let's go ahead and directory this out, dir. And you can see over here, we have these 3 folders, D drive backup, temp1, and test directory, and then 4 text files. And you see that we have those same folders here and those same files. So you can see that we are in the same location here. So again, guys, this is just renaming directories and files, and pretty simple. So this will probably actually be the shortest video in this whole course series. So let's start with directories. So we've got this directory here, temp1. And if we go there, you see that there's some files in that. Let's just get rid of these for now. And then we've got test directory, which is empty, and then these files here. So let's say, hey, we've got this directory named test_dir, and we don't really want it named that way. So to rename it, pretty simple, guys. All you simply do is use the command ren for rename, and then we're going to give what the directory name is. So this essentially says, hey, rename this directory, and then we just tell it what directory, we go back, what the new name is. So let's just say we want test, and I'm just going to put it in all caps, -dir, enter. And so as you can see over here, that did change. Over here, we will directory that out, and you will also see the change there. It has been renamed to test directory. Now, let's just leave that as is. And now you see these files here, all 4 text files, file 1 through 4. So let's say we want to name, let's just say we want to rename these files 001 and then 002 and so on. So it's the same exact command, ren for rename. We're going to do file1.txt, which is the file that we're talking about. So again, we're essentially saying rename this file, and then we're going to give it a new file name. And then say, let's go, we want file 001.txt. And so you hit enter. And then as you can see over here, this has changed. And if we directory this out, you will also see the change here. So guys, that's it. Again, this is probably the easiest and the shortest video in this course, just renaming directories and files. So stay tuned for part 5 coming up. And if you missed any of the other ones, part 1 through 4, they are all listed in the link down in the description below. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon.